After you've downloaded the Infinite Campus Parent Portal app, open it and click New User at the bottom. Then, enter your activation key provided by the school. The district is Alpha Public Schools and the state is California. Create a username and password to access the portal. On the first page, you will see announcements and messages. If you click the alarm icon in the middle, you will see all of your notifications. If you click the person icon on the right, you can change your settings. You can choose when and how you receive notifications. You can even select your preferred language for notifications. Click on the person icon again, and you can change the language of the app itself. If you click the three bars in the top left corner, you will see a menu of options. Click Today to see your child's assignments and schedule for the day. Click Calendar to see this information in a different format. Here, you can also see your child's attendance. Click Assignments to see their homework in more detail. Here is where you can check for missing assignments. Click Grades to view their most current GPA. You can see the cumulative grade or the breakdown of grades by semester. Click Gradebook Updates to see what teachers have recently added to the gradebook. Click Attendance to see your child's attendance history in more detail. If you click Schedule, you can see your child's daily schedule. We don't currently have any fees on the portal. If you click Documents, you will find any important documents that have been uploaded by the school. Click More to see more information, including your address and important dates for Alpha Public Schools.